In this video, I want to talk about how you can become a popular investor on eToro. Now, something you need to understand is you need to be actually a good trader to become a popular one, and you also have to treat it a little bit like a social media. So you want to post on there, you want to have a clear profile picture and stuff like this. But first of all, you need to actually be accepted into the program. So let me talk a little bit about this. What you want to do is you want to meet the requirements to join the program first of all. These are the current requirements. They might change. This is the date right now. So make sure that you've done this and then you apply from your profile settings. Once you've done this, make sure that your profile looks real. So have a photo of yourself, a good bio, and make sure that it's like not for fun, but using a professional tone and stuff like this. After that, like I said, you need to be a good trader. So make sure that you have a good track record. And after that, you just want to grow it. Keep doing this for a few months. And as your track record grows, you're going to get more followers. And then, like I said, you need to treat it a little bit like a social media. So make a few posts once in a while, interact with people. So the more that you do this, more people will be able to find you. Now, in the end, to become the most popular one or one of the most popular ones, you need to have a really good track record. This is the most important one. No matter how much you post and stuff, this will always be the most important one. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.